Okay. It's that yellow building, but we might have to go past it. You know, me, I have a habit of not wanting to be around like a cluster of cars and just so yeah, I wasn't planning on like racing around it. Just like to get away from cars. Okay, I appreciate it. And stay safe. Good? All right. Have a great night.
Video tagging.
Hey, you good? Okay. I'll explain it later. What? Because I didn't feel nervous about it? He might not have been able to see that. Or were you all the way up? Oh. No big deal. I don't question it. So I didn't want to get a ticket anyway. Right? Did you have this on? Why? Time? 5 minutes. Yeah. They're gonna walk in the door. They're gonna be like reaching for the lock and be like.
Accepting the difference. We're flawless in love. First or the last.
Did you have a
it all should be
Did he ask you if you had a speedometer?
Experience evolve, let it shine through, find its way. Powerful, the wave is invading, create your day. We are touched by the deep divine.
There's cool cops out there.
The crystal moments make it all worthwhile. Time is out of mind. We are perfect lives. In every moment, some things are worthwhile.
I can. I think part of it had to do with the fact that we didn't go tearing away from this stoplight. Stories to tell. Maybe, maybe not.
Causing complaints.
How long were you up? It'd be funny if they made an automatic visor. Like if it senses you're under like 5-10 miles an hour, it goes up, and then as soon as you get over like 10 miles an hour, it's like. Who knows? All I gotta say is probably take it easy going that way. You dodged your machine gun.
Video tacking.
Yeah. Yep. It's fine. You ready? All right. Here's your backpack. Packer. Is it too heavy to you? Or